Should product designers be worried about AI? Hi guys, this is the Leif Wallace podcast, and on this channel we're going to basically go through how you can improve your life through creative advice as a designer. And I want to share with you some key things I'm learning about AI and why designers shouldn't be worried. But more importantly, the question is, should designers be worried about AI? There's really 5 core things I want to go through that will really help you today. And I just want to let you know, if you're new here, please consider subscribing, hit that notification bell, and let me know. I'd love to get your feedback in the comments below. Are you worried about AI, and what are you doing to help you improve? So I'm going to go through these key things right now. The first thing I want to talk about when it comes onto AI is specifically this. AI is a tool, not a replacement for designers. Let me repeat that. AI is a tool and not a replacement for designers. Think about it like this. Your mobile phone, it's a tool, right? A pen is a tool. You know, a glass is a tool. A hammer is a tool. Money is a tool. You know, it allows you to do something. Now, what it allows you to do, it depends upon the person wielding the tool. So, for example, if you are the person with a phone, you could use your phone to make you money, or you could use your phone to be a distraction and waste your time. You know, firstly thing I want you to understand about AI, that it's not a replacement for designers, because AI can assist designers in tasks such as generating ideas, getting great ideas for colors and fonts and imagery using tools like Midjourney, creating sketches, fleshing out your initial ideas. The key thing here is to remember as a designer that you are the person that's wielding the tool. So the better you are at wielding that tool, the better you can be. I want to show you here that there's this platform called Durable that allows you to build a website in 30 seconds using AI. You have tools like Midjourney that you can use that can really help you generate ideas as well. There's a website that I found called aitools.fyi, aitools.fyi, and it has a load of AI tools that you could use that will help you become better and help you just play around with some ideas and things that people are basically putting together when it comes onto AI. So the key thing here is, number one, remember to stay up to date with AI developments or what's going on. So use that website, aitools.fyi. Learn how to effectively use AI tools to enhance your design process. So don't use AI as something that tells you what to do. Use it as something to help enhance you, make you better. Remember, AI is also like learning from other designers and spitting out something. So it's not always spitting out something that could be the best. So you've got to apply your personal touch, your flavor, your style as you leverage AI tools to help you become more efficient. Now, lazy designers are the ones I call them. Those are the ones that will just take what AI spits out and just copy and paste it. The best of the best will use AI as a full source of inspiration, as a springboard to lean into, as a way to make you more efficient and more effective at what you do. So focus on developing your creativity, your empathy, and your problem solving skills. AI can't replace those things. That's the things that make you human, your ability to create things. Yes, AI can create things, but it's creating things from other sources similar to how you are, but you can apply the nuance that you understand about people that can help you along the way. And AI, to be fair, is doing a fantastic job in some areas, but there's areas where you bring that originality that you want to lean into that make you unique to what you do. All right. So AI won't replace you. AI is just a tool, not a replacement for designers. The second point I want to talk about is how human connection is key. And this is why the key thing you want to understand that something AI can't do is replace you as a designer. So having you to evoke emotion, create personal and authentic experiences that you can do through leveraging AI, but more importantly, your human touch is the key thing you want to do. So when it comes onto AI, like tools like ChatGPT as a prime example, when you're using ChatGPT is only as effective as the person giving it the prompts, telling it what to do. So the better you are at prompting, your human touch, your understanding of how to give instructions, the better ChatGPT will give you what you're looking for and give you the tools you need or the output you need to be able to help you in what the task you're trying to achieve. The second thing you want to understand when it comes on to this big point, right, about human connection that is key, is that UX research can never die. It's so important that someone is going out there, actually speaking to real customers, actually getting some feedback from real people to understand their actual problems that they're solving. AI can only keep up to date as fast as people input information into it. So basically, drawing more insights from people is where you can leverage that as a designer by speaking to real customers and gaining and drawing insights that are going to be valuable for you as you basically create new designs. So always keep focusing on your UX research. You also want to make sure you're understanding their needs and also spending time delving into those needs and seeing actionably how you can implement that in the product that you're trying to design for as well. You, yes, you right there. Have you subscribed? Come on, man. Click that notification bell, click that red button or whatever color it is, and click subscribe for new videos coming up for myself. All right, let's get back into the video. Point number 3 is around customization and personalization. The key thing you want to understand is that AI is a tool that can help you generate ideas, okay? So once you put the data in, it's trained, it's got more insights, more information, it's going to generate stuff for you. But once that generation of ideas happens, sometimes what is generated can come across quite generic, can come across quite cookie cutter and not specific to the client or the product that you're working on and your specific clientele, in other words, your customers that you're trying to serve. So you want to think about how you can build strong relationships with your client as well. In other words, you might be part of a team, or you might be one-on-one with a client. Build strong relationships so you can understand more about the individual needs and preferences and nuances to your industry, to your client, to your customer, to your product that you're working on. That individualization, that customization is the nuances that you bring as a designer as well. You also want to make sure that you can utilize data and analytics to inform what you're doing. We call this data-driven design. So it's super important for you to make sure either you have things like Amplitude or Mixpanel or tools like Google Analytics that you can leverage and gain insights from and see how that data can be led into like some real actionable nuances or user research that you can do to help influence the work that you're doing and create some personal touches on the product that you're working on as well. Point number 4 is about your ability to adapt and innovate. The key thing here is to learn, to grow, to add to your skill set. As a designer, I know from my core, I'm a designer through and through, but I understand search engine optimization. I understand how to do user research. I understand how to do copywriting. I understand how to do social media management, social media content creation, and content marketing. These are things that I've been able to build over the years. So when you add this on top of my design skill, as AI gets better and can generate ideas faster, the nuances to me as a designer allow me to have these general understandings in other areas. And to be fair, in marketing, I go really deep as well. I go really deep into marketing as I do with design. But really design, you always want to have one skill set or maybe two, but maybe one skill set that your 80% of your energy is into, you're perfecting, you're mastering, that's your craft. And then go deeper into something else. Design and marketing go hand in hand. And then you can add strategy on top of that as well. Your ability to think strategically, apply the right tools, the right systems in the right place at the right time for the right people. That's what we're talking about when we're talking about strategy. So you want to think, so stay up to date with digital trends and technologies that's going on in the marketplace. Attend workshops, webinars, seminars, follow the right YouTubers. Hopefully you're following myself, right? And think about new techniques and tools. You also want to make sure you're experimenting with new software, experimenting with new content ideas and ways to create content if you're into marketing like me as well. So this way, where as a designer, why I'm not worried is because I have adaptable skills that are relevant to the time that we're living in and to the people that I serve. So it allows me to be more sharper like a knife. When I can work strategically, I can work effectively, and I can give solid advice on marketing trends and tools based upon the fact that I'm following big players in the marketplace. I'm gaining insights, I'm attending workshops, I'm always updating my skill set. This is what's working for me. I want to share what's working for me, so I hope that will work for you as well. Point number 5 is about collaboration with AI. This is similar to my first point about using tools like AI tools.fyi and understanding how it works. But this is really going to that one step deeper and understanding about AI algorithms. So if you're on social platforms, if you're leveraging AI and different tools that you might be trying to master, how do the algorithms work? Think about it from a developer standpoint, read their developer documentation. How did the developers start to think about solving problems and developing the AI for the tool that you're trying to understand? So this can really help you as well to understand the technical side of what's going on in the back end. So many designers now need to have some technical understanding, some technical knowledge. That doesn't mean you need to be a coder per se, but being able to generate good prompts like an engineer, I kind of touched on this earlier as well, it's going to be super effective for you going forward. Your ability to command or give commands and write good instructions for AI tools is going to help you stay head and shoulders in the marketplace. That's what we talk about when I say collaboration with AI. And this will really help you to be effective and efficient, and having that deep understanding could really help you level up your skills and complement the skills that you have as well. So I want to know from you, how are you leveraging AI to help you become an effective designer, a more efficient designer? I'm leveraging tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney. And if you want, let me know in the comments below if you want me to show you how I'm using ChatGPT to help me 10x the speed at which I write copy for websites, and also apply that customization and personalization. So let me know in the comments below. If you want me to do some videos to show you how I'm using ChatGPT and how it's effective for me, and also how I'm using other AI tools to help me work faster as a designer, let me know in the comments below. And once again, I want to thank you for watching today. Remember, you can improve your life through creative advice. Thank you for watching this episode of the Laith Wallace podcast. Look after yourself and look after your family, and take care. Bye-bye.